So this is a beautiful living space where you get your couch. So this is a beautiful spacious kitchen where you get. So this is a master bedroom space where this is where you get your bed. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Ayush Elara, which is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune, and is developed by Ayush Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get an internal road that directly connects you to the Bharat Mata Marg road. But before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview. This project will be constructed on 1 acre of land parcel, in which you will getting one tower having 2 basement plus ground plus 11 floors having 2 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune, जिसकी connectivity में आपको मिल जाता है Lexicon International School, which is 150 meters away, Kesnand Fata bus stop, which is 2 kilometers away, and Decathlon Wagholi, which is 4.7 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project. This project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gym, kids play area, multi-purpose court, yoga deck, party lawn and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 2 BHK sample flat, which has 757 square feet carpet area. So this is our entrance where you will be getting a main door with a digital door lock attached to it for security purposes, and then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is a beautiful living space where you get your couch setup space right here, and you get your TV unit setup space in front of it. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is your dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is a beautiful spacious kitchen where you get a granite platform attached to it, with a sink attached to it, and also a dry balcony included in your kitchen with a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out our first bedroom. But before we check that out, let me tell you, just in front of your first bedroom you get a common wash basin and a common washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our first bedroom space, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now, before we move on to our second bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom space, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover, and is also connected to your living room's balcony. You also get an attached master washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and is So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat store of Ayush Elara, which is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune, and is developed by Ayush Developers. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download an e-brochure and price sheet, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.